Yo, V-Nation, are you looking for a nice little cinematic light box to spice up your setup? Then I think you're going to want to stay tuned and check out this video, alright? Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for L.S.V, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo, V-Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again with another video. Today we're going to be taking something unique, a nice little cinematic light box with a Bluetooth speaker. Alright? But before we get started, can you do me a favor? Can you hit that subscribe button for me? It really helps the channel. Alright. Today we're going to be looking at a light box from, it's the Gabba Good Cinema light box with a Bluetooth speaker. Yep, that's right. You heard me right. A light box with a Bluetooth speaker. Woo, okay, this is different. You know, I done had one before, but it didn't have the Bluetooth speaker. So I said, I gotta check this out. Let me give a few specs real quick. It's has Bluetooth speaker, has about as far as the sizing on it, it's like an 8 by 8.5 by 9, and the light box has 100 letters and numbers, so you can personalize the light box the way you want to change the colors. And one of the cool things I like about this light box is that it's rechargeable. Now it's not real big, but it's rechargeable. So I'm hoping that it's both the light is rechargeable and the Bluetooth speaker, because you know some of the products like this, it ends up being just the Bluetooth speaker is rechargeable, but you got to keep it plugged in for the light. I've had some products like that before, but let's see here. Let's go and get it out of the box, and we can go over some more specs later. So let me read. Oh well, I'll take that back. Let me read what they have on the box. On the box it said this portable light box with Bluetooth speaker can hang on a wall in your house, or it could be placed on your favorite shelf. You can customize your sayings on here, you know, with the letters and all that good stuff, letters and emojis. Now the last one I had didn't have emojis, so that's a plus for this one. Let's see here. It says this fun speaker adds color and amazing sound to any room. Now, as far as that amazing sound, that's to be determined. So we got to check that out. And it tells me on here a few of the features: Bluetooth speaker, 5 light settings, multicolor RGB. Okay, I'm liking that RGB. Included is 100 letters, which I said earlier, with some emojis. You can hang it on the wall, rechargeable, and it says 3-line display. So you have 3-line display right here. So you got 3 lines. So you see the front, and you can pause this and read it for yourself. This is everything that I was reading. I'm pointing the wrong thing. This was everything I was reading on the back of the box. Let's see here. What's on this side here? This is Bluetooth light, 5 light settings, and all that good stuff, and pretty much the same, echoing the same thing. Yeah, it's pretty much echoing the same thing that was on the back of the box. So let's go ahead and see what we got in the box. All right, let's see here. All right. Okay, nothing else in the box. All right, we're gonna place this box to the side. I need to check it out, and I don't know. All right, coming with it. It looks like we have some instructions and all that good stuff. Let's take the box out itself. Place it to the side. Okay, we got a whole bunch of letters on here. Let's throw that paper to the side. I don't need that paper right now. As you can see, we have tons of letters right here. Where's the emojis? It said it had emojis on here, so I gotta see if it has emojis. All right. Whoa, what are they coming apart? I don't want them all over the place. All right, as you can see here, we have all the letters are still stuck together, and yes, they do have the emojis. Okay, let's see if I can get them all out. Check out some of these emojis right here. They're still stuck together. All right, as you see here, got some nice little emojis up here. Got your happy faces and all that good stuff. And what you need to do for this video, give me a thumbs up. All right. Let's see what else we got on here. Oh, yeah, so you can like this video. Let's see what else we got on here. We got some cool face, an angry face, and all that good stuff. Where's the sad face over here? No, they don't have a sad face? Okay, we don't need to be sad anyway. So, you know, got some pretty decent ones on here. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at the star of the show right here. Small little speaker. I mean, a small little light box. I'm gonna have to get the tape measure out so we can measure it real quick. But this is a little cloth-like material right here. Got some not so much rubber. You know what? You know how those like that 3M sticky tape feels, but it's not sticky right here. But it's like soft, you know, material, you know, to keep it from sliding around. So, but you can read this, pause this information right here and read it for yourself. And you can see the back of the box. You have, you know, these are hooks so you can hook it to the wall. And not sure that is. And there's some more rubber, some little stoppers right here. I guess that's probably to protect your wall. So if you have it hanging on the wall, you go to move it, it won't, you know, make no marks on the wall. So I think that's pretty cool. They did that. And right here, let's see, bring it up where you can see it. You have your light function on and off. You know, there's a light button on here. I guess you got to press and hold for the light button. So now let me see. Oh, let me turn it on. Okay.
On.
Okay.
Your Bluetooth device is connected.
Oh, what? Okay. Let's turn this off. So what I want to do, let's change angles real quick so you can see how this looks standing up. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and get it set up and find some no copyright music so we can play it and see how it sounds. And I'm gonna put some of these little letterings on here and some of the emojis, and just see how it looks with, you know, with the RGB. All right, hold tight. All right. That was a little sound test of this little light box, LED light box. As far as sound quality, I really don't, you know, you're not buying this for sound quality. You just basically the speaker is pretty much a gimmick, you know, but, you know, it is what it is. It's only $20. You're not going to complain too much because, you know, while I was playing it during the sound test, it was at max volume and you can hear the distortion with the little bit of bass that it does have. Doesn't have much, but, you know, it's a little distorted. So basically, this is really not nothing for listening to music. Like I said, it's a gimmick, you know, for the speaker part. But it's you know, it's it's interesting. It's interesting. I mean, you got a light box and a speaker. This is my first time seeing a light box with a speaker on it. So, hey, it's different. You know, maybe the next generation they might, you know, improve on the quality of the speaker. That would be a good thing. But you know, it is what it is. You know, but I imagine that the price will probably go skyrocketing. But you know, as you see, it changes colors. You know, I've had another light box before. I want to say that, you know, the colors might have been a little bit richer and that one more vibrant than this one. But I mean, it is what it is. It's you know, it's wireless. And let me see. As far as the quality, I think it's like 3 different settings on there as far as the light display. So no, I take that back. It's 5 different settings. So it's 5 different settings for the light feature. And let's see here. We can hang on the wall. It has 3 line display and it's rechargeable. And as far as playtime, now that's going to vary, but they're stating playtime on here is like 4 to 6 hours. You know, and like I said, that's going to vary. It's just going to depend. And as far as the battery capacity, it is a 1200 mAh rechargeable battery. So you do the math. You know, it may last long for you. You know, it might not, just depend on how you're using it, the usage. You know, basically. But I mean, is it a deal breaker for me? Nah, you know, as far as the sound quality, I mean, this speaker would shine if you listen to something like audiobooks or listen to a podcast, and then you know, sound quality would be decent. But as far as listening to music, I wouldn't get this just for, you know, listen to music and being your only speaker to listen to music, because you'll be highly disappointed. But you know, if you want to listen to audiobooks or you don't want to listen to a podcast or something like that, that would be cool. That would be cool. But one feature I wish it did have, I wish it had the speaker phone on there. But as I think about it, how often am I going to be using this device, you know, to answer a phone call or what have you? You know, it just, you know, that would be something that good to have on it. And another good thing, another thing that I would like to have seen on here is a remote control. So you won't have to keep going up here to change, you know, the light settings on here. You know, what have you. As you see, the battery done died now because I didn't had it on for a minute. But anyway, yeah, I would have liked to have seen it had a remote control to it, and you know, that's basically it. I mean, let me show you. Let me see. Look at the back of it real quick. As you can see here, you know, you got your mounting brackets on there, so you can mount it on the wall, and you got these rubber stoppers on there, so you know you won't leave no marks on your wall and stuff like that. That's pretty decent. It's hard plastic, and you got your little rubber stoppers on the bottom. You know, I mean, you know, for under $20, you know, you can't really complain. You can't really complain. But have you hit that subscribe button? Okay, all right. Anyway, but as far as under $20, this is a pretty decent. You know, it's okay, but it's not for, like I say, to rock the party. It's not, you know, awesome sounding speaker. It's a basic speaker. That's what it is, a basic speaker with a this on a light box that has RGB coloring on it. So I mean, hey, I mean, this, you know, this, like I said, this would be good, something good to sit in your gaming setup, or you know, man cave, woman cave, or whatever. You know, just a gimmick, you know, device. But other than that, you know, it's okay. So I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below. You can get more detailed information on it. You know, like I say, I'm not an expert. I'm just a regular everyday person. So, you know, if it's something I didn't, you know, go over in the video, just click on that link down there. They'll give you all the information you need on this product. And basically, you know, it's a light box with a speaker. And this is the first one that I've seen with a speaker. But, you know, hey, to me, it's pretty neat. It's pretty neat. But this is not my main speaker. This would be like I said, this is going to be something like if I'm listening to an audio book or a podcast or something like that, you know. But other than that, that's all. Let me show you the controls. See that the letters are coming off real quick. Let's see here. See, here's your controls on here. You got your on and off. You got your on and off switch right here in lighting control, and you got your USB-C. Was it USB-C? No, micro USB charging slot. And wow, the B will fall off while I'm doing the video. Let's put this back on there. But I just basically put this on there for the video. But like I said, if you want one for yourself, click on the link down in the description box below. They'll get more information. They'll get one for yourself. And I appreciate everybody taking out the time to check out this video. And if you haven't already, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe.
It really helps the channel, and I appreciate each and every one of you, you know, subscribing. Even the people that don't subscribe, I appreciate you taking out the time to check out the video. All right, so that's been my little review of this light box from who is this from? They have these strange names: Gabba Goods Cinema light box, and on the box it says jams. Let me show you the box real quick. Again, it just says jams, and what is this? It says jams glow, but yeah. You know, it is what it is. But like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, all right? All right. Let's see. The message for the day is, be humble and kind. All right? Be humble and kind. And be appreciative, you know, because you realize, you know, you don't have that much time here. You know, time goes quick. But just be humble and be kind. And you'll be surprised how that would, you know, affect your life, being, you know, humble and kind. Good things come to you when you're being more humble than being what's the word I'm looking for? Being all thinking you all that, and you know, I can't think of the word right now. But like I say, the message for the day is basically, you know, be humble and be kind. All right, that's the message for the day. This is your main man Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace. Let's go ahead and charge this thing up.